Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are doing good. So, now today we are starting with the new chapter number 4, The Ant and the Dove. If you all have the textbook, then do open the textbook's page number 36 so that you will get the better understanding of the chapter. One day, an ant was busy looking for food on a river bank. Wow, what a big grain! Let me try taking it home, said the ant. Just then, a strong wind blew him into the river. Help! Someone please help me! The ant struggled to save himself from drowning. The meaning of struggled is tried very hard. The ant tried very hard to save himself from drowning. The meaning of drowning is sinking to the bottom of a water body. Oh no, the little ant is in trouble. I must help him. The meaning of trouble is difficulty. When the dove saw that ant is drowning in the water, the dove thought that she must help ant. So students, whenever we saw anyone is in trouble, so we must help them. The dove quickly plucked off a leaf and dropped it into the river near the ant. Climb on the leaf, friend, hurry, Dove said to ant who was about to drown in river water. With the help of a leaf which Dove threw in the river, the ant managed to crawl on the leaf and reach the river bank safely. Thank you, friend. I will forever be grateful to you for saving my life. The ant said thanks to Dove for saving his life. A few weeks later, the dove was resting on a tree when a hunter saw her. Aha! That's a nice fat bird. The hunter hid behind the bush and aimed his gun at the dove. At the same time, the ant spotted the hunter with his gun pointed towards the dove. Spotted. Students, the meaning of spotted is saw. Here goes my bullet. Oh, my friend is in danger. I must help her. As ant saw that dove is in danger, he got an idea because it is now the turn of ant to help dove. He quickly crawled inside the hunter's boot and stung his ankle. The meaning of stung is pricked. Many times we also get hurt by ant. Sometimes ant stung us on our feet, on our hand. So just like that, the ant quickly crawled inside the hunter's boot and stung his ankle. Boom! Blast! Ouch, you little beast! With sudden stung of ant, the hunter lost his balance and missed the aim. The dove heard the noise and quickly flew away. Thank God, my little friend has saved me. The dove said thanks to God because his little friend ant saved him from the bullet of hunter. From that day on, the ant and dove became inseparable friends. Students, the meaning of inseparable is always together. So once we help each other, then we never forget anyone. We always remember the people who help us and we try to remain inseparable forever. So what is the moral of the story according to you? The moral of the story is we should help the people who are in trouble. Obviously, you should help the people who are in trouble, but otherwise also we should help everyone who are around us. Thank you, dear children. I hope you enjoyed and understand the chapter well. Do watch the video again so that you get a better clarity of the lesson. Be happy and be safe.